If you need to unlink a bank account from your Citibank profile, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Citibank account. Visit the Citibank website or open the mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select Linked Accounts. Within the account settings, find the option for linked accounts or external accounts. Click on this to view all accounts currently linked to your Citibank profile. Step 4. Choose the account to unlink. Identify the bank account you wish to unlink. There should be an option next to it to remove or unlink. Click on this option. Step 5. Confirm the unlinking process. You will likely be prompted to confirm your decision to unlink the account. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the process, ensuring that you receive a confirmation message. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be successfully unlinked from your Citibank profile. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Citibank customer support for assistance.